Hello, my dear friends and my dear students. I welcome to my YouTube channel. Before myself, Tirunagara Manohar, Department of Mathematics, University College of Science, Tumkur, Karnataka. My mobile number is 6302026237 and 8985084319. This is my brief introduction. My dear friends, I came here to introduce differential equation 2.1 differential equation which is under BSc of Tumkur University. In this BSc Tumkur University, under the heading of differential equations, we want to discuss about Unit 1 Complete Guide course. Okay, already in this Unit 1 Complete Guide course, Part 1 completed. Now we want to discuss about Part 2. Under Part 2, we want to discuss, okay my dear friends, before going to next Part 2, if you not subscribe my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe my YouTube channel as Tirunagaram Manohar, Tirunagaram Manoher. Please subscribe my YouTube channel as Tirunagaram Manohar. Like this video and share to your friends as well as write your comments on my comment box. Okay, my dear friends, under part 2 of differential equations, one definition is there. That is a important definition. This is very important. Solution of a differential equation. Solution of a differential equation. See here, a solution of a differential equation is a functional relation between the variables involved which satisfies the equation. So solution of differential equation means a solution. Before going to solution of differential equation, one definition is there. Solution of equation means any value or quantity which satisfies the given statement or given equation. That value or quantity is said to be a solution. Now we want to discuss about solution of the differential equation is nothing but a solution which solution satisfies the given differential equation. Means a solution of a differential equation is a functional relation between the variables involved which satisfies the equation. Okay, my dear friends, I hope you all understood this definition. I will move on to the next definition, that is general solution. See here, my dear friends, general solution. A general solution is nothing but a solution of a differential equation in which the number of arbitrary constants is equals to the order of differential equation is called the general solution. So general solution is nothing but a solution of a differential equation in which the number of arbitrary constants is equals to the order of the differential equation. Number of arbitrary constants, so order of differential equation ಗೆ equal ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ that solution is said to be a general solution ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. Next, formation of a differential equation. Formation of a differential equation is nothing but an ordinary differential equation formed when an attempt is made to eliminate the certain arbitrary constants from a relation in the variables and the constants. That means in an ordinary differential equation some arbitrary constants is there. By getting differential equation, how you get the differential equation means an ordinary differential equation means by eliminating that arbitrary constants, which is relation between the variables and the constant. By eliminating the arbitrary constant, we will get the ordinary differential equation. So how you get the ordinary differential equation? How you eliminate the arbitrary constants means for that we differentiate the given equation with respect to x successively as many as the number of arbitrary constants. ಸೊ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಆರ್ಬಿಟ್ರಿ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನಿ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ we should differentiate given differential equation with respect to what? X successively. How many times? As many times as the number of arbitrary constants. Like this way, we will eliminate arbitrary constants. In that case, we will get the ordinary differential equation. Okay, my dear friends, I hope you all understood the definition of the formation of the differential equation. I will move on to the next small definition, that is particular solution. Particular solution. Okay, my dear friend, particular solution is nothing but particular value they will give for that arbitrary constants. If the particular values are given to the arbitrary constants in the general solution, then that type of solution is called the particular solution. Okay, my dear friends, I hope you all understood those things. I will move on to the next topic, that is some worked examples on these problems. Worked examples. Worked examples. See here, my dear friends, worked examples for which are formation of a differential equation. Formation of a differential equation. Okay, how you get formation of a differential equation means, first of all, question. See here. First question. Beautiful question. Find the differential equation. Find the differential equation of all straight lines of all straight lines which is passing through the which is passing through the origin. This is your given question. Okay, my dear friends, question once again repeat. What is given? Find the differential equation. Differential equation find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ? Of all straight lines which is passing through the origin. All the straight lines which are passing through the origin. So ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು differential equation find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So for that, I hope you all understood this question. I will move on to the answer. Solution. See here, my dear friends. Solution. Okay, we all know that general equation of any straight line, equation of any straight line which is passing through the origin is what? We all know this. Okay, equation of any straight line which is passing through the origin is, we all know this. What is that? Y is equal to mx. Y is equal to mx. Call it as equation 1. Y is equal to mx, which is passing through the origin like this. You see here, this is x, x dash, y, y dash is given. Here origin is there, origin. So y is equal to mx plus c means y is equal to mx, that's all. This is y is equal to mx. Y is equal to mx line. This line is given. So using this equation, we want to find differential equation. Differential equation. How will get the differential equation? Here m is what? Here m is what? Arbitrary constants, being constants. Just a second. Here m being parameter or arbitrary constants being parameter. Understood? So now we want to find the differential equation of this line. Okay. So how will get this line means? Okay, by differentiate equation 1 with respective to x on both sides. So, ಈ equation 1 ನೇ with respect to x in the ನೀವು differentiate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Then how you get means, see here my dear friends, dy by dx is equal to differentiation of mx means m constant, differentiation of x means 1. So, dy by dx is equal to m. Call it as equation 2. Okay, so now from equation 1, we make it m as subject. From equation 1 we get, from equation 1 is what, y is equal to mx is there. From this onwards make it m as subject, m is equal to y by x. Now this is called it as equation 3. Now substitute equation 2 in 1, or substitute equation 2 in 3. Then what we will get? That means replace m value. So what is the m value here? Dy by dx. Dy by dx is equal to y by x. So which is the required differential equation? Which is the required differential equation? Which is the required differential equation? Okay, my dear friends, once again see here. Here, what is given? Find the differential equation of all straight line which is passing through the origin. This is given. So we all know that equation of any straight line which is passing through the origin is what? Y is equal to mx. See here in this graph. So here m being parameter, then differentiate equation 1 with respect to x on both sides, then dy by dx is equal to m. This is called it as equation 1. From equation 1, y is equal to mx is there. From equation 1, make it y as subject, that is y is equal to y, m is equal to y by x. Replace that m value, what, dy by dx, in this equation will get y by x. This is the required differential equation. Okay, my dear friends, I hope you all understood this equation. I will move on to the next question, second question. I will move on to the second question. See here. Find the differential equation of all the lines. Okay, friends, just a second. Of all the lines in the plane. This is given question. Okay, my dear friends, find the differential equation all the lines in the plane. Just all the lines in the plane, like that is given question. Okay, my dear friends, observe here the straight line which is passing through the origin is given. Here in xy plane is given, in the plane is given. So that equation is said to be what? So we all know that. See here, my dear friends, equation of any line, in the xy plane is there. In the xy plane is, we all know that in the xy plane is y is equal to mx plus c. In the xy plane means x and y are variables involved. In yz plane means yz variables involved. Zx plane means z and x variables involved. So call it as, this is called equation 1. So see here that equation how is means, this one x dash, this one y dash. See here origin is what? This one origin. In the what? xy plane is given, xy plane. In this xy plane, what is that? Y is equal to mx plus c line. This is what? Y is equal to mx plus c. Y is equal to mx plus c line. So here where m and c being constants, here m and c being constants in this equation, being constants. Okay, my dear friends, how you get the differential equation? By differentiate equation 1 with respect to x on both sides. Then y is equal to mx plus c. That means what do you get? Dyy dx is equal to mx plus c. M will come. Mx plus means m. Called it as equation 2. Again, we want to differentiate this equation. Again, differentiate equation 2 with respect to x on both sides. We'll get what? dy by dx. Again differentiate ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? d square y by dx square. So differentiation of m is what? 0. So my dear friends, this is the required differential equation. That means which is the required differential equation. Okay, my dear friends, okay, my dear friends, I hope you all understood this question. I move on to the next question, that is third question. I move on to the third question. What is that? Find the differential equation. Find the differential equation that should satisfied by the family of concentric circles circle circle also they will give. What is that circle? X square plus y square is equal to a square. Okay, this is the question. See here, first of you analyze the question first of all. See here. Okay, my dear friend, find the differential equation that should satisfy the family of concentric circles. Family of concentric circles, what is given? X square plus y square is equal to a square. Like this they will give. So for this circles, we want to find the differential equation. Okay, very easy. They will give this differential equation. We want to find the differential equation. So direct question this one. We have what is given? X square plus y square is equal to a square given. Called it as equation 1. Where here a is what? Where a being a constant, or for this purpose radius. For this equation, this a becomes radius. So x square plus y square is equal to a square. In this equation, a is the radius or constant. Okay, now how you get the differential equation? Now differentiate equation 1 with respect to x on both sides. Okay, so differentiation of x square, how much? Differentiation of x square. Okay, my dear friends, differentiation of x square, how much? 2x plus with respect to x. Okay, differentiation of y square, 2y into dy by dx is equal to differentiation of a square is what? 0. Okay, my dear friends. Okay, make it 2 as common, take into this side. So x plus y into dy by dx is equal to 0, which is the required differential equation. Which is the required differential equation. Okay, my dear friends, I hope you all understood this question. I'll move on to the next question. That is fourth question. Fourth question, very important for 5 marks. See here, my dear friends. Find the Find the differential equation of the system of circles touching the y-axis at the origin. This is a beautiful question. See here, what is given, my dear friends? Find the differential equation of the system of circles. Differential equation find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. For what? System of circles which touching the y-axis at origin. See here, question ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಆಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಆಟೋಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. With circles which touching the y-axis at origin means, see here, how, just a second. X dash y dash, my friends. See here, origin is there, origin O. So according to this problem, what, the system of circles touching the y-axis at origin, the system of circles touching the y-axis at origin. So that means circles of center of the circle lies on the x-axis. See here, like this. So this circle touching the origin at this circle touching the origin for y-axis, touching the y-axis at origin. So like this way the circles is there. One more color. Okay, like this. System of circles I am drawing. System of circles. These are the system of circles. Now I am taking positive centers. Here also is there, like this. Here also will come. Here also will come. But I am taking positive center. Here the center on the circle. See what will happen. Center on the circle, how is that? G comma 0. Y coordinate becomes 0. Positive center I am taking. Here minus z comma 0. Here minus z comma 0. So that's why this one I am considering positive centers. So okay, I hope you all understood this. How is that? The system of circle touching the y-axis at origin. See here, these circles touching the y-axis at origin. Isn't it? Origin is here. Here, touching the y-axis at origin. Okay. Okay, now we all know that any circle which touches the y-axis, at the origin is, the origin must have its center where? On y-axis, x-axis, on x-axis. So a circle which touches the y-axis at the origin must have its center on x-axis. See here one center, here one center. See here, center. See, the positive center I am taking, g comma 0. So its equation is, how is that? See here, the equation of such circle, is what? We all know that x square plus y square plus only center g comma 0 is there. So 2zx plus 2fy plus c. Here y coordinate 0. So that's why 2gx is equal to 0 will come. 2gx is equal to 0. This is the equation. The circle which touches the y-axis at the origin is x square plus y square plus 2gx is equal to 0. Suppose, okay, I will move on to this one. How you get the ordinary differential equation for this? First of all, differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate equation 1 with respect to x on both sides. Then we get, my dear friends, differentiation of x means x square means what? 2x plus 2y into dy by dx plus differentiation of 2gx means 2z. Okay, is equal to 0. Okay, my dear friends, here 2z, make it as subject directly. From this equation, make it 2z as subject, plus 2x becomes minus 2x, plus 2y into dy becomes minus 2y into dy by dx. Call it as equation 2. Okay, my dear friends, excuse me. Substitute this equation 2 in 1. We get here x square plus y square, x square plus y square plus 2zx. 2z means what? 2z means minus 2x minus 2y into dy by dx into, here in this equation 2gx is there. So 2z value substituted into x is equal to 0. So okay, my dear friends, by simplifying this we will get the required differential equation. X square plus y square minus 2x into x minus 2x square plus into minus minus 2xy into dy by dx is equal to 0. Okay, my dear friends, what we will get? Here y square, write as it is, x square minus 2x square minus x square minus 2xy into dy by dx is there, is equal to 0. Here by observing in this differential equation, there is no arbitrary constants. See here, by observing all these questions, there is no arbitrary constants. See here there is no arbitrary constants. Here also there is no arbitrary constant. So that's why this is called what? The ordinary differential equation. Differential equation will get like this way. I hope you all understood this equation. I will move on to the next question. That is what? That is fifth question. Fifth question. This is also very important for 5 marks. See here, my dear friends. Find the differential equation of the system of circles touching the x-axis at the origin. Okay, my dear friends, for this question I will draw the graph. Equation, you have to write equation and solve this equation. Okay, I will just draw the graph. Homework purpose I left to you. See here, how is that graph? X, this is x dash, this is y, and this is y dash. Okay, this is origin, my friends. Okay, here what is given? The system of circles touching the x-axis at origin. Touching the x-axis at origin. X-axis ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಈ x-axis ನೇ ಟಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ಸ್. ಹೆಂಗಿರಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ತರ. This is one circle. ಓಕೆ, ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿಟ್ಕೋ. ಓಕೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಅದು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ತರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ತರ. This is positive center I am taking. This C becomes, C is what? Here 0 comma F will come. Okay, 0 comma F. That means X coordinate will become 0. So here also will come like this. Here also will come like this. But I am taking only positive center. I am taking positive center only. So that's why this one taking. So equation we all know this. For this system of equation, what we will get? X square plus y square plus 2fy is equal to 0. Okay. I wrote this equation also. You must solve this equation. Okay. So solution is homework purpose. Homework. ನೀವೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇದು. ಓಕೆ ಮೈ ಡಿಯರ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಂತ ಹೋಪ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಗೆ ಮೂವ್ ಆನ್ ಆಗ್ತೀನಿ. ಮೈ ಡಿಯರ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಒನ್. ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಯು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನೋ ದಿಸ್, ಅಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ PU class, for 5 marks, very very important, and you proved as a theorem. That is, see here my dear friends, very very important for 5 marks. See here, what is this question means? Find the differential equation of all circles. Find the differential equation of all circles in the xy plane. In the xy plane. See here, find the differential equation of all circles in the xy plane. That is given in the xy plane. We all know this. Solution. See here, my friends, the general equation. Sorry. Once again. Second. The general equation of all circles in xy plane is what? We all know this. Just a second, I will open a new page. Just a second. Okay, my dear friends, see here. Okay, the general equation of all circles in xy plane is what? We all know this. In the xy plane is what? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Call it as, this equation is what? Equation is 1, not 2. This equation is what? 1. Okay, my dear friends, here where G, F and C are all constants. Now, how you get the differential equation? By differentiating equation 1 with respective to x on both sides. So that means differentiation of x square is what? 2x plus differentiation of y square is what? 2y into dy by dx plus differentiation of 2gx 2z plus 2f into dy by dx. This one becomes 0. Okay, my dear friends, here what is eliminating? By take 2 as common. In all term 2 is there, take 2 as common, take outside. So that means x plus y into dy by dx plus z plus f into dy by dx is equal to 0. Okay, my dear friends, here what is eliminated? Here c is eliminated. By observing here, c is eliminated. C is eliminated here. So call it as this is equation 2. Call it as equation 2. Again what do you want? Again we want to differentiate. We want to differentiate equation 2 with respective to x on both sides. So that means the differentiation of x is what? 1. Next, this is y1. Y right, sorry. Okay. Y into dy by dx is nothing but y1. So product rule apply madidre y make it as keep it as it is. Differentiation of y1 what? Y2 plus y1 keep it as it is. Differentiation of y1 product rule we want to apply. So again differentiation of g 0 plus f constant right as it is. Differentiation of y1 is what? Y2 is equal to 0. Call it as equation number 3. So okay my dear friends, once again differentiate equation 3 with respective to 3 on both sides. So that means differentiation of 1 is what? Differentiation of 1 is what? 0 plus we want to apply product rule y into y2. So keep it y as it is. So differentiation of y2 is what? Y3 plus keep it y2 as constant as it is. Differentiation of y is what? Y1. Okay, my dear friends, this product differentiation completed. Now this one. This one is what? Y1 square. Differentiation of y1 square is what? Differentiation of y1 square is 2y1 into y2 plus f here f constant. Differentiation of y2 is what? Y3 is equal to 0. So call it as equation number 4. My dear friends, by observing here f is not eliminated. So once again differentiate also f is not eliminated. In a number of times by differentiating also f is not eliminated. So that's why we make it one operation. See here in this equation y coefficient is what? F coefficient is y2. In this equation f coefficient is y3. So that's why multiply equation 3 by y3 and equation 4 by y2. Then we get, my dear friends, that means equation 3 ni y3 ಇಂದ multiply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So 1 into y3 is what? 1 into y3 is what? y3 plus here y2 is there. y3 ಇಂದ multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ y2 into y3 plus y1 square into y3 plus here fy2 into y3 fy2 into y3 is equal to 0. Call it as this one as fifth equation. Okay my dear friend, next in this equation 4 is multiplied by what? Y2. Equation 4 is multiplied by what? Y2. So already y3 is there. By multiplying y2, what will get? y2 y3 y2 y3 plus here by observing 2y1 y2 plus y1 y2. How much? 3y1 y2. By multiplying what? y2. So that's why my friends 3y1 already y2. Once again y2 in the multiply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So that's why I will get 3y1 y2 square will get plus here fy3 is there, y2 in the multiply ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. Therefore fy2 into y3 is equal to 0. Call it as equation number 6. My dear friends, how will get this eliminating f means by now 5th equation in the 6th equation subtract ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ we will get the required differential equation. Before that I will open new page. That is, see here my dear friends, see here by eliminating here 5th 6th equation is sign symbol changes. For that purpose e plus y2 y3 minus y2 get cancelled, y minus y2 y3 get cancelled, as it is plus Fy2 y3 minus Fy2 y3 get cancelled. Remaining terms we have to write. What are the remaining terms? Here y3 is there. Here y3 write as it is. Here plus y1 square y3 plus y1 square y3. So in the fifth equation all completed. In the sixth equation, the symbol will change. Minus 3 y1 y2. Why the symbol change? 5 minus 6 we want to do. So that's why this is the required solution. So before last step, so in this both the terms which is common, y3 common, make it y3 as common. 1 plus y1 square into y3 is getting minus 3y1 y2 square, right as it is equal to 0. Okay, my dear friends, this is the required differential equation, which is the required differential equation. Okay, my dear friends, I hope you all understood this question. This is very, very important. Before conclusion, I'll okay, my dear friends, like this video and share to your friends, as well as write your comments on my comment box. Okay, thank you one and all.